Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go! Episode 4. Ella Goes to the Gym. This is another easy English story. Today we will learn about Ella's first time at the gym. Ella wants to be strong and healthy. She decides to go to the gym near her home. It is only 5 minutes away from her apartment, so she can walk there. Ella feels a little nervous because it is her first time. But she is also excited to try something new. In the morning, Ella puts on her sports clothes. She wears a pink t-shirt and black leggings. She ties her hair in a ponytail and takes her water bottle. Then she puts on her sneakers and walks to the gym. When she arrives, the gym looks big and bright. There are many people exercising. Some people are running on treadmills. Some people are lifting weights. Others are stretching or riding bicycles. Ella goes to the front desk and says, "Hello." The trainer smiles and helps her sign up. He shows her around the gym. Ella sees the machines, the weights, and the yoga mats. Everything looks new and interesting. Ella starts with the treadmill. She walks slowly for 10 minutes. Then she runs a little. She feels her heart beating faster, but she feels good. After that, she tries the bicycle machine. She pedals while listening to music on her phone. The trainer gives Ella a few tips. He tells her to drink water and take it easy on the first day. Ella follows his advice. She stretches her arms and legs before she finishes. After 1 hour, Ella is tired but happy. She feels strong and proud of herself. She knows it is only the first step, but it is a good start. On her way home, she thinks, "I want to come here 3 times a week." This is the beginning of Ella's fitness journey. She is ready to make exercise a part of her new life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.